The molecular decisions that determine whether a heart attack kills your heart cells or spares them are made days, months, and years earlier, inside your mitochondria, shaped by whether you move, what you eat, and when you eat it. The heart fires roughly 100,000 times a day, and 90% of that energy comes from tiny generators packed inside every heart cell, called mitochondria. When you sit still too long, eat poorly, or skip exercise, your mitochondria starts leaking toxic sparks and quietly activate an inflammatory alarm system that primes your heart for catastrophic failure long before any symptom appears. A 2026 review in Frontiers in Physiology report that sedentary behavior directly suppresses mitofusion 1, MFN1, a key mitochondrial fusion protein, disrupting the balance between mitochondrial fusion and fission in cardiomyocytes. This triggers elevated reactive oxygen species, ROS, activates the NLRP3 inflammasome, and releases interleukin-1 beta, driving the same inflammatory cascade that amplifies heart tissue death during acute myocardial infarction. By contrast, aerobic exercise reverses this damage by activating the AMPK/PGC1 alpha pathway, promoting mitochondrial biogenesis, improving respiratory chain efficiency, and suppressing cardiomyocyte apoptosis, effects documented across multiple controlled exercise trials. Aside exercising, diet also play an important role in determining the fate of a cardiac arrest. A 2024 umbrella review of 235 randomized controlled trials, 197,695 participants, found that the Mediterranean diet reduces fatal cardiovascular disease risk by 10% to 67%, and non-fatal heart attack risk by 21% to 70%. A separate 2025 preclinical study demonstrated that intermittent fasting increased post-ischemic cardiac function recovery from just 10.5% to 67.0%, and restored ATP levels from 42% to 78% during ischemia reperfusion injury, likely by preserving mitochondrial energy metabolism and improving oxygen diffusion from capillaries to the mitochondria. What you can do: exercise more often, eat right, and avoid in-between meals.